I pump, but my blood is still alive. The rain hits the ground and the trees they dries the sky. My eyes wake up, but my brain's asleep on the horizon. One more cave for face and night to do before we shut our eyes and cats blame me and our faces blame you. And we're both right, I couldn't care. Faces in the pines mark the path in the wood and the wall my pictures watch.
It's nice out today, don't you think?
Yeah, pretty nice.
I mean, I wouldn't live here.
No.
But I mean, if I did live here, I would think that it would look nice out today.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I'd rather live somewhere else.
Yeah, like southern.
Yeah, the South. Do you ever eat at Dairy Queen?
Not recently.
It's pretty good. The value is good. The value. That's really where it's at, is the value.
Good prices.
The prices are reasonable and the food is good. That is the definition of value.
I got a question. Are the Burger King and the Dairy Queen married?
It's an interesting question you posed there, Charlie. No, I don't think they are. I don't think they're related. I do think they've met at parties.
Yeah.
Or a festival. But I really don't think that they're married, because firstly, the parent companies are not the same. And it would just not be good marketing. With all the recent hubbub about marriage, there could be some controversy. It would not be a good plan for the two corporations.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what's weird?
What?
In the bathrooms here, the soap dispenser, to get any soap out at all, you gotta really pump it like 9 or 10 times, like really fast, and then it all comes out like all in one. It's really weird.
That's vaguely sexual, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess it is. Never really thought about it.
Have you ever wondered what it would be like to be a fish?
On occasion, I mean, I don't know if I'd like that, swimming around all day, dodging.
Yeah, well, you swim around, you eat pellets.
Well, yeah, but I wouldn't like to be dodging hooks all day. I'd like to sit back, have a grape soda, and some Ruffles, and just enjoy myself. Maybe take a bubble bath.
Oh, I'm taking a bubble bath for all time.
Plus, I think I'm afraid of water. I just, like, even drinking it, I get chills down my spine and goosebumps. It's really not good.
You might need to see someone about that.
Yeah.
It's strange.
Yeah, that is.
It's a little weird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I have to say my favorite brand of premium bottled water would have to be Aquafina. It's crisp and clear. The way they emboss the mountains onto the side of the bottle is expertly done, very professional. And it's bottled by one of my favorite companies, Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Excuse me, but Dasani is bottled by Coca-Cola, not Aquafina.
I'm gonna have to disagree with you on that, because once I went to the city and I met a water specialist who said the best kind of water was Fuji water, and believe it or not, second best was Poland Spring.
Really?
Made right here in Maine.
You know, That's interesting you say that, because I honestly wouldn't think of Poland Springs as being in the top 5, even the top 10 or 20. It's just, to me, it has this metallic taste. It just,
Yeah.
it's a little metallic, is it not? Yeah, and it fills your mouth, and then you have this aftertaste, and you have to like go eat some bread or rice or something, like.
Carbohydrates.
Yeah, carbs. But like, I think they also make bread or something, because like that metallic taste just gets everywhere.
Have you ever had that like homemade macaroni? Has like the crust on the top. It's crunchy.
I'm not a fan of crust top pastry dishes.
Oh, you're missing out.
Really, like, I mean,
Yeah.
I always find myself digging underneath to get at the unadulterated pasta, and I just feel that the crust, it ruins the experience for me. It feels like it's imposing on what the dish was supposed to be like.
Well, the dish was originally crusted.
I don't know if it was. I think the crust was added there.
No, I think the crust was there, and then the craft kids came along and said, "We don't like the crust. Let's get rid of it. Let's make a brand name macaroni without crust."
I don't think that was the case. I think the crust was added there by soccer moms because they had extra toast or something left over from the morning. The kids didn't eat it. They're like, "We need to sprinkle this. Where will we sprinkle? We'll sprinkle it on top of the dish for the evening's meal." And I have no respect for a coating made from leftover scrapings. I just can't deal with that.
Yeah, I get your point. I still like it though.
Hey, well, it's good.
Yeah, we better get going. Okay.